What if one coastal town gave you ancient wonders, crystal clear beaches, and unforgettable sunsets, all in one trip? Welcome to Kuşadası, Turkey's Aegean paradise, where history meets seaside magic. From the legendary ruins of Ephesus to scenic boat cruises and vibrant waterfront streets, today we're counting down the 5 best things to do in Kuşadası. Make sure you watch till the end. The number 1 experience is the one travelers remember forever. Number 5. Kuşadası Walking Tour, markets, cafes, and sunset views. A stroll through Kuşadası's lively downtown reveals a beautiful blend of traditional charm and modern energy. Local markets overflow with fresh fruits, aromatic spices, and handcrafted treasures. Colorful stalls display textiles, souvenirs, and irresistible Turkish delights, a true feast for the senses. Cafes line the narrow streets, inviting you to pause for rich Turkish coffee or refreshing tea while watching daily life unfold. The scent of freshly baked simit and sweet baklava drifts through the air, tempting every passerby. As evening approaches, head to the waterfront promenade, where the setting sun paints the sky in breathtaking shades of orange and pink. Boats sway gently in the marina as soft waves mix with lively street music. This walking tour captures the very soul of Kuşadası, vibrant, welcoming, and unforgettable. Number 4. Pigeon Island and Kuşadası Castle, Turkey's island fortress. Rising above the turquoise Aegean waters, Kuşadası Castle stands proudly on Pigeon Island, a stone guardian of Turkey's western coast. Connected to the mainland by a short causeway, this island fortress offers far more than history. It delivers panoramic views and a peaceful escape from the town's bustle. Originally built during the Byzantine era to defend against pirate attacks and later expanded by the Ottomans, the castle carries centuries of stories within its thick stone walls. Cannons still face the sea, echoing times of conflict long past. Inside, beautifully maintained gardens and walking paths invite a slow, reflective stroll. From the ramparts, sweeping views of Kuşadası, the harbor, and the open sea unfold before you. This is more than a photo stop. It's where history, nature, and serenity meet. Number 3. Ladies Beach, Kuşadası's most beloved seaside escape. Golden sands, crystal clear waters, and a relaxed atmosphere make Ladies Beach one of the most cherished coastal spots along Turkey's Aegean coast. Just minutes from the town center, it perfectly blends natural beauty with modern comforts. Begin your morning with a peaceful walk along the palm-lined promenade as beachfront cafes open their doors, serving fresh simit, Turkish tea, and soothing ocean views. As the day warms, locals and visitors gather to enjoy the soft sand and gentle waves, whether sunbathing, swimming, or trying water sports. By evening, the beach transforms into a sunset paradise, with hues of orange and pink stretching across the sky. A simple stroll along the shore, ice cream in hand, is the perfect way to end a day at Ladies Beach. Number 2. Ephesus. Ruins, legends, and museum treasures. Exploring Ephesus feels like stepping into the pages of an ancient history book. Once a major city of the Roman Empire, it remains one of the world's best preserved archaeological sites. Marvel at the Library of Celsus, whose grand facade once safeguarded thousands of scrolls. Nearby, the Great Theater, seating over 25,000 spectators, echoes stories of gladiators and public gatherings. Walk along marble streets once filled with merchants and discover the Temple of Hadrian and ancient public latrines, revealing fascinating insights into Roman life. Close by, the terrace houses showcase intricate mosaics and frescoes, offering a glimpse into the luxurious lives of the elite. Afterward, visit the Ephesus Museum in Selçuk to see statues, artifacts, and treasures, including the famed statue of Artemis. Together, the ruins and museum paint a complete portrait of ancient civilization. Number 1. Boat trip. Along the Dilek Peninsula coastline. Boat trips are a highlight of summer in Kuşadası, offering countless ways to enjoy the sparkling Aegean. Departing near Pigeon Island, cruises glide along the breathtaking Dilek Peninsula coastline, revealing hidden coves and secluded beaches perfect for swimming and relaxation. For a shorter escape, sunset cruises provide a peaceful way to watch the sky ignite with color as the sun sinks below the horizon. Whether you prefer a calm scenic voyage or a livelier party atmosphere, Kuşadası's boat tours promise unforgettable coastal views and pure seaside bliss. Thanks for coming along on Scenic Reel. Hope Kuşadası left you speechless. If you enjoyed this trip, smash that like, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next coastal adventure. Which spot should we cover next? A hidden beach, an ancient ruin, or a food market? Tell me in the comments below. I read everyone. Want more now? Tap the video on screen for a full Kuşadası playlist and keep exploring with Scenic Reel. See you in the next one.